Latest research and innovation. 1. UCLA researchers have identified 4 diagnostic pathways to Alzheimer's disease, showing how sequences of conditions, not just isolated risk factors, predict progression. Their findings may transform early detection and prevention approaches. Researchers have identified sequential diagnostic patterns that may enhance early detection and improve strategies for disease prevention. 2. New chemistry discovery promises more effective cancer drugs with fewer side effects. 3. Artists' reconstruction of the fossilized landscape, plants, and animals found preserved in a remote bonebird in Petrified Forest National Park in Arizona. The newly described pterosaur Eotephrodactylus mcIntyre is seen eating an ancient ray-finned fish alongside an early species of turtle and an early frog species, with the skeleton of an armored crocodile relative lying on the ground and a palm-like plant growing in the background. 4. NASA's SPHERUX is mapping the infrared universe in 102 colors, and it's all public. The spectrophotometer for the history of the universe, Epoch of Reionization and ICES Explorer, SPHERUX, mission will provide the first all-sky spectral survey. Over a 2-year planned mission, the SPHERUX Observatory will collect data on more than 450 million galaxies along with more than 100 million stars in the Milky Way in order to explore the origins of the universe. 5. NASA flips a Mars orbiter upside down and discovers a hidden world. 6. The universe's most abundant ice isn't formless, it's secretly laced with crystals. And that might change how we think about water, planets, and life itself. 7. Breaking the bottleneck. All-optical chip could unlock light-speed communication. Schematic illustrations of programmable all-optical signal processing on a silicon chip. Packaged 8-channel OSP chip, A, electrical, B, and optical packages, C. 8. Enlargement of the silicon nitride membrane. The colors represent the measured motion of the membrane in the out-of-plane direction. Red means that part of the membrane moves upward, and blue means that part moves downwards. 9. The quantum battery that flipped entanglement, a stunning reversal of the rules. A new study shows entanglement can be reversed if you plug in a quantum battery. The finding rewrites the rules of the quantum world. Credit, Shutterstock. Illustration of an entanglement battery. The battery allows reversible interconversion between any two entangled states. Credit, Second Law of Entanglement Manipulation with Entanglement Battery, Phys. Rev. Let. Author, Alexander Streltsov, American Physical Society. 10. Able 209 dazzles with golden galaxies, but its real story is the unseen, scorching intergalactic gas in a vast cloak of dark matter, exposed by the cluster's gentle warping of background starlight. 11. Scientists just simulated the impossible in quantum computing. Thanks for watching this video.